Imagine having a partner that simplifies your tech needs, from web apps to smart solutions. Struggling with complex tech challenges in your business? Meet NGI, a hybrid software house that crafts innovative solutions in IoT, AI, and SaaS. NGI transforms ideas into reality with scalable applications and automation tools. How we operate. With NGI, we follow a structured process, from concept to deployment, ensuring quality and efficiency. Plus, our expert team delivers tailored solutions for your unique needs. With NGI, you'll experience custom solutions that grow with you, data insights that drive decisions, robust cybersecurity for your peace of mind. What our clients say. Sounds intriguing? Connect with NGI.